Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Here I share Gobi Biryani or Cauliflower Dum Biryani. Simple and delicious traditional biryani packed with flavor from spices. This best choice for vegetarian. Accompanied with any raita, this biryani shall make your meal special one. Let us check how to make cauliflower dum biryani. Here I take one full medium size cauliflower, chop it into medium pieces. Move to the bowl, add boiled water and add half teaspoon salt and add half teaspoon turmeric powder, then keep it aside. Then take half cup biryani rice. Here I use basmati rice, you can use any other varieties. Rinse the rice 3 to 4 times in water and soak the rice for 30 minutes. First I prepared cauliflower fry, then make the masala. Fried gobi add with masala, it becomes increase the taste of biryani. For marinating the cauliflower, add 2 tablespoon corn flour powder and 1.5 teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon garam masala, add 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and 2 teaspoon curd, add required amount of salt and mix it well. Mix it well, keep it aside for at least half an hour. Next we prepare the common content of all biryani, onion fry. Heat a pan, add oil, add 2 tablespoons of ghee, add the onion, saute it in a low flame until the onion is caramelized. Now the onion color changed to golden brown. Drain the onion from oil, then shallow fry the raisins and cashews. Then take a big vessel, the enough oil from fried onion, move to the vessel, add the soaked and drained basmati rice to the vessel and fry the rice in that oil. Add 2.5 cup water, add all dried masala and 2 bay leaves, add salt, allow the rice to boil. In a pan, add a required amount of oil for frying cauliflower, add marinated cauliflower to the pan, fry the both sides of cauliflower, saute it well. In between check the rice, it almost done now, so drain the rice. Next make cauliflower masala, add 2.5 teaspoon oil. When the oil become hot, add the chili, ginger garlic paste, then add onion. When the onion color changes to golden brown, add all masala powders. half teaspoon turmeric powder, around 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon biryani masala powder. Salt it well, cook it for 2-3 minutes, then add water, allow to boil. Cauliflower, add some coriander leaves, then cook the masala until the cauliflower fry, combine with the masala. Next step is dum preparation. Move the half of masala to the bowl. Spread enough masala, layer the rice followed by the masala, followed by another layer of rice. In between add fried onion, raisins, cashews and coriander leaf. Repeat the process. Then cover the vessel with aluminium foil, cover with the lid, cooked in medium flame for 10 minutes. Now the biryani is ready. Serve it to your dear ones. Enjoy your lunchtime. Hope you like my recipe. Try this recipe and reply your comments. See you soon with another easy recipe. Thank you.